Weekend edition for the 1 Degree Outside Weather Network meteorologist Danielle Noyce here. Hit or miss showers and storms around both weekend days for today, our Saturday and Sunday as well. Keep in mind when thunder roars, go indoors. The storms this weekend may not reach severe levels. That said, they may still produce some downpours and lightning as they pop up. Steady rain moves in by the time we get to Monday with a storm center that's going to cross right over New England. So each day features upper level energy and some cold air aloft. So even though it's not overly hot and the humidity is low, there's still some instability in the atmosphere. So each day we crop up some of the showers and storms, most numerous definitely in northern New England, but some of them may fall in central and southern New England as well. Here comes the rain on Monday with an area of low pressure. We may start dry in the morning, then the rain advances in, steadiest during the afternoon and evening with that low moving offshore by the time we get to early on Tuesday. So let's zoom in here a little bit. No matter when you're watching this video, we've got you covered. Let's start with Saturday first. We get building clouds over the course of late morning and afternoon. The green generally focused across central northern Vermont, northern New Hampshire, northwest Maine with some scattered showers and isolated thunder. Some brief downpours and lightning are possible. And you notice that if you do start to pop by 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So if you are considering a beach day for Saturday or headed to the beaches, make sure you have our app alerts turned on, but you can check things out on the interactive radar because a couple of these may come to the seacoast, the North Shore beaches, and even South Shore briefly by the time we get to late afternoon and evening. Then they'll dwindle by the time we get to late evening and overnight. Sunday starts with sunshine in the southern half of New England, at least. Still a few showers bubbling up in northern New England, where it is kind of a cooler feel this weekend in the 60s to lower 70s. And once again, Sunday by lunchtime, look at this. We're popping action in central, northern, western New England. Hit or miss. So not everyone's going to see them, but they're just kind of your typical run-of-the-mill thunderstorms that will become more numerous in coverage Sunday afternoon to evening. We will also have a sea breeze that kicks in likely at the coastline, and that little boundary may help to focus some showers and downpours in eastern Massachusetts during Sunday mid to late afternoon. I do think the action on Sunday dwindles a little bit earlier than Saturday, so like 7, 8 p.m., and then we clear the skies out. By the way, first day of summer officially on Sunday with the summer solstice at 4:24 a.m. Track everything in our app. Of course, the interactive radar is an awesome tool to have. You can pinch and zoom. You get the past plus future modes where you can see where storms are, where they're going to be headed, and make sure your location's turned on. So if you're traveling around this weekend too, you'll get the notifications. Precipitation amounts, not a whole lot over the course of this weekend. Yes, a few tenths, a few hundredths. If you're underneath some of those downpours, perhaps a little bit more. But as I play things out through Monday and into Tuesday morning, that's when we're talking about 1 to 2 inches of rain that falls. And I do think there'll be some locally higher totals. It depends on where exactly some of the heavier bands or heavier axis of downpours set up. So we'll keep you posted on that. Highs 60s north for our Saturday, 70s to lower 80s. A gusty breeze, about 20 to 30 miles per hour, will slowly ease overnight. 50s for most of us to lower 60s for Boston back down to the Cape. Sunday's highs, 70s north, around or just over 80. Again, the humidity's in check, but we bubble up these showers and storms. So that does mean for Father's Day. By the way, happy Father's Day to all the dads out there this weekend. It's variable clouds to start. A pop-up shower or storm. We're keeping an eye out for the afternoon to evening, and then a nice summer sunset with temperatures cooling off through the 70s. Overnight Sunday will drop into the 50s to lower 60s with mainly clear skies. Out on the water this weekend, want to take care of our marine community, and those of you that are headed out on the boat. Near shore activity on Saturday is pretty low, 1 to 2 foot seas, although you do notice from Deer Island back to down East Maine, we will have some 4 to perhaps even 5 footers early. And offshore, we are still talking about some choppy seas, 6, 7, 8 foot seas, Jordan Basin's point east. Sunday's a quiet day, nearshore and offshore, with those wave heights diminishing. Nearshore, it's like 1 to 2 feet. And same as we head into Monday, they will ramp up by the time we get to Monday evening and night with that storm center going by. So, and the rain's going to be advancing in during the day on Monday as well. Keep in mind, you can join for more content. Our membership opportunities are right on our app and at membership.onedegreeoutside.com. 4 membership levels to choose from. A shout out to our 1 Degree Outside champions. O'Brien's Garden Center in Danvers, Massachusetts. Right now, they are having a great sale on some of their shrubs and flowers. So check it out. Again, O'Brien's Garden Center Facebook page in Danvers, Massachusetts. Gate City Reflexology and Massage, whole body wellness rooted in care up in Nashua, New Hampshire. GateCityMassage.com to make your appointment and see what's available today. And SawyerInfrared.com, inspection services, gas imaging, acoustic imaging. Dave Sawyer covers all of New England and we'll get back to you within 24 hours. Go to SawyerInfrared.com. Thank you to our 1 Degree Outside champions and to all of our members for your continued support. Have a great weekend, everybody. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this 1 Degree Outside video.
Get exclusive content, support the mission at membership.1degreeoutside.com. And don't forget, free and 5 stars on the App Store and Google Play. Search the #1 Degree Outside Weather.